So you're looking for a cure for the Mondays? On our most recent trip, we had the good fortune of stopping at Panama City Beach for a little sun rest and relaxation. We also had the distinct pleasure of meeting Larry Holland and Zena, the surf pup, one of the local celebrities of Panama City Beach. When Zena is not out actively surfing, she's happy to play along the beach with other dogs, whether they be one that just got loose and their owner's none too happy about that, or just another friendly dog out for some fun. Larry says that even as good as she is at surfing, some days when they get to the beach, she's just interested in playing frisbee, possibly for hours on end. Still, what Zena is famous for is surfing. It's awesome to see her in action. She will go right at it, jump through a wave, wade out to a sandbar, and then trudge through that water. For me, getting the opportunity to watch close up on my drone viewfinder as Zena jumps out of the water onto her surfboard was a distinct pleasure. It's not every day that you get to see a dog jump straight out of the water onto a surfboard, let alone a skilled dog that can hold her balance as she's bombarded by waves, being pushed out till the perfect moment where Larry is able to set her up to hang 20. He really does have an uncanny ability to choose just the right wave for Zena. But the real talent is how well she can hold her balance even as he's picking and choosing through those waves. It is truly amazing how well she can stick a wave, stay on that surfboard all the way in, and then when it gets to a point where it's either too slow or too shallow, she just jumps right off, turns around, and goes out for some more. While that's all going on, Maureen was using this time with the twins. It was the golden hour, and to be honest with you, the girls were shining on their Instagram account. Everybody loved on those pictures, and why not? Jenny was loving on the sand, which, to be honest with you, I wish I was there playing with right now. But Zena didn't waste any time. She hopped back out there, got on her board, and boom, she was surfing again. Sometimes not as successful, but for the amount of time that we were there, it seemed as though it was quite a bit more often than not that she was capable of grabbing a wave and riding it, no matter how fast it was, all the way in. Unfortunately, it was time for us to start considering to pack up and get ready to go, but Zena and Larry, they're headed back out for some more, and I don't blame them. Right now in Niagara Falls, it's 40 degrees, even though it's the very end of April, and we're missing that weather. So we had to say goodbye, and hopefully we'll get to see it again real soon.